Now more than ever, proper hand hygiene is of critical importance. The CDC calls proper hand hygiene a do-it-yourself vaccine, and their hand-washing guidelines support the use of hand dryers as an effective way to dry hands. XLDryer offers an industry-leading line of touchless, hygienic hand drying solutions. The XLERATOR is the top hand dryer brand sold globally, elevating restroom hygiene in commercial facilities around the world. Our state-of-the-art XLERATOrSync Hand Dryer is featured on the D13 integrated sink system, which creates a completely touchless restroom experience, allowing users to wash, rinse, and dry all in one place. Both XLERATOr and XLERATOrSync are available with our HEPA Filtration System, the only HEPA filter on the market tested against viruses. The results were clear. Make the change from paper towels today. XLDryer, time to throw in the towel.